Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today there are what you say three things in my video. So please like, please subscribe. I hope you are fine. So let's start today's video. And I just got a cute rhino. First video will start from my home because there's a unicorn here. Now why? See, follow my steps. Sand this side, then press the unicorn and the camera button at the same time. No. Yes. Now if you are sitting on it, take a photo. Then click arrow. Then discard it. Now go back. Press the giant robot button. Wow, I'm explosive. Look. Cool bug. I am a flying man. Oi. Now I am moving. What? Stuck again. Whee! And under this, if you go down here, see, some animals appear under this thing. This, can you hear? Wow. See changing. Nah. Next bug, underwater bug. And one more thing, do like this. Jump on the water and press the same time. Now you have glowing quest button. See, glowing. Now underwater bug. Like this. Wee. Underwater. Now go underwater and have fun. Dada. Fully underwater. And well, as you know, Ariel is here. And now new bird pets are here. This was my dream to have bird pet in PKXD. My dream came true. Stunt. And you know guys, I have two vehicles. Ta-da! Whee! Go 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 go! Do you want to see the bird places? You can hear pigeons here. Look at you there, pigeons and the robotic bird. There, see that red dot? Hehe. I think I saw another bird, but somewhere forgot. Yes. But I didn't find the eagle. I found all other birds. And I also have their pictures. And one secret. Do you want to see that? Let's go. Here, come here. Do you think there is any secret here? do you think? Comment down below. But no, don't comment because there's a secret bench here. He was hiding this all the time. Want to see my pets? Oh, I forgot to say. There's new option. See this? Let's change my rhino name. Nah. These are my pets. And this is an epic and this is an special. And rhino a rare. This is what is this? Guys, tell me in the comments. Well, today's video is over. I am going to swimming pool. Bye guys.